Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two top-tier robot vacuums. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, and the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-1 is priced at $699, making it a premium option. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is much more budget-friendly at $209. Reviewers appreciate the Lefant for its affordability, while the Shark Matrix is considered a worthwhile investment for those looking for advanced features. Now, let's talk about suction power and cleaning ability. The Shark Matrix boasts incredible suction and sonic mopping capabilities. It's particularly effective on both carpets and hard floors, and its self-emptying dustbin adds convenience. Reviewers mention that it navigates efficiently but can struggle with tight corners. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro features a unique suction mouth that's great for pet owners. It tackles pet hair without a roller brush, meaning less maintenance. Reviewers love its effectiveness on hard floors and its ability to clean a 1350 square, featuring house on one charge. When it comes to cleaning modes and technology, the Shark Matrix employs a matrix clean system with precision grid patterns and clean edge detect for thorough cleaning. Its EPA filtration captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. Reviewers appreciate its efficient mapping and targeted cleaning options. On the flip side, the Lefant M210 offers 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. Its FreeMove 3.0 technology with anti-collision sensors ensures it avoids bumping into furniture. Reviewers find it easy to set up and particularly efficient at removing pet hair. Finally, let's look at special features. The Shark Matrix comes with 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision mapping and object detection. It also features a self-cleaning brush roll, making it ideal for homes with pets. Reviewers are impressed with its performance and convenience. The Lefant M210, on the other hand, connects easily to your phone and can be controlled via an app or voice commands. Its small body design allows it to clean under furniture effectively. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and value for money. Overall, the Shark Matrix Plus 2-1 is praised for its powerful suction, advanced features, and effective cleaning performance, although it comes at a higher price point. The Lefant M210 Pro is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness, particularly for pet owners. So, there you have it. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-1 is a high-tech, powerful cleaner, while the Lefant M210 Pro is an affordable, user-friendly option. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Product links are in the description. Happy cleaning!